Hi everyone, so today we're going to be diving into the Bambu Lab A1 printer. This printer has been making waves in the community of 3D printing, and I just want to review it and tell you what you can expect, the pros and the cons, just if you're wondering if you should get one or not. The A1 combo is an all-in-one solution with automatic material system, also known as AMS, allowing for multicolored and multi-material printing. But is it worth the hype? Let's check out the pros first. First off, the printer is very quick to set up and for it to be delivered. I ordered mine on a Saturday and I got it on a Tuesday night, so it only took 2 days, business days, but 4 days overall, which is pretty quick comparing to other brands like Elegoo and Longer, which both took about a week. Second off, it's really easy to set up. First, it's really user-friendly. I wouldn't say that's a beginner level because the AMS can be a little tricky sometimes. But if you're an amateur or it's your second printer, I would definitely recommend getting it. There's not much assembly. You can watch a full-length video and really user-friendly, like I said before. I don't know how to explain it. The community is great. On the app, you can ask questions and you'll usually get a reply in 24 hours. This printer offers great speed. It has 4 levels: silent, standard, sport, and luxurious. I would usually do around a standard on most things, but if it's like a benchy, I would recommend a sport mode. But it does kind of shake the table when you do it. Just be aware of that. You might want to get the non-shaker things that you put at the bottom. Also, with the AMS, you can do either 4 different colored filaments, 4 of the same filaments, so you just don't run out. And you can do 4 different material prints, which I haven't done yet, but I feel like that'd be really cool. And it just gives a whole different level of printing. Bambu Lab also offers great software. The Bambu Studio Slicer, really easy to use, really easy to pick up if you're a beginner. And the app that it comes with, you can remotely watch and you can change settings. You can load filaments on and off. The Bambu Lab also offers great print quality. I printed this on a 0.4 nozzle and it looks like one piece that you buy from a store. Great quality. Great change of colors, no overlap in the colors. And if it does this on a 0.4, I can't wait to see what it does on a 0.2 nozzle. The Bambu Lab is a great printer, but it's not perfect. So I'm going to jump into the cons. First off, the AMS can be a little wonky sometimes, especially if you don't cut off the ends of the filament, where it's like a little, I don't know how to explain it, it gets thicker. You just want to cut that off so it looks like a regular end. That's what I was having, and it kept clogging my nozzle. I had to clog it 2 times yesterday. But other than that, also third-party filaments can also be a little weird with it, so I just get more branded things like Elegoo or from the Bambu store. Second off, the noise can be a little loud, especially when printing at high speeds, but other than that, it's not really that bad. Even if you get the non-vibrating feet, you can really fix that easily. The build plate is a little small. It's 256 millimeters cubed. So if you want to print something bigger, you're going to feel a little restricted there. But if you're going to be printing bigger things, I feel like it'd be better to get other printers from the Bambu store because they offer much bigger print volume. Alright, so what should you be expecting with this printer? So the setup and assembly for this printer will take about 30 minutes, maybe 45 if you're a bit confused or you mess something up. The multicolor printing is a little bit of a learning curve. It took me about 2 days to figure out what was wrong with mine. But if you could figure that out, this printer has no limits. Like any other printer, you're gonna have to clean it, especially because you don't want the AMS to jam the nozzle. So yeah, that's a whole hassle taking it apart. You can remotely watch your print go. You can change the temperature of the nozzle or the heat bed, and you can turn the speed up. And you can turn the fan on your phone with other things like finding models on the smart app. So in my opinion, I think the Bambu Lab is definitely a must buy. It offers multicolored prints, fast prints, and just has a great community in my opinion. If you want me to rate any other printers down below, just tell me. Or if you want to see any other video ideas, just comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe.